Hello everyone, welcome back to this video and welcome back to the channel. Okay, now in this video we are going to look at how we do calculations in reports. Okay, for example, get this amount paid to all employees, we calculate and get the total. We can get who is paid maximum, can get who is paid minimum, and can see the average pay of this all employees. Okay, so we are going to look at how we can produce calculations in our reports using Microsoft Access database. Thank you very much. Remember we started with creating our employee table. Okay, we moved from there, we created a form. Okay, and with that form to feed in the data in our table. Now we have created a report. Okay, so I want again now see how we create on that report, how we do calculations for it. Okay, so sit and enjoy. Thank you. Let's go straight out to design view. Okay, under design view you go to report design. Okay, I think where there is AB, this text box of AB. Okay, that is the text box for calculations. So bring it, and remember this calculation you do them in the report footer. Look under the amount paid and you click there. Okay, if you click there, there will be commands coming. Okay? Try now to edit this text. Okay, you edit it from this text and you put I want us to put there total. Okay, once you have put total amount paid, total amount paid, then come here where there is inbound and you bring in now the function form for the adding. You say it's equals the one as in Excel. I bring equals, then sum. Okay, open brackets. After opening brackets, bring now the small brackets that we use to put in just to identify the field. Okay, here I think I don't have them here. Let me look for my screen keyboard. Screen keyboard, so that I can get them. On my screen keyboard, I think they are there. I hit shift. Not hit shift. This is the square brackets that I mean. Okay, square brackets that I mean. Okay, so I close that one. So here I see in this sum. Okay, then open the brackets and open again square brackets to identify the column. This is different from Excel, where we just use square brackets to identify the column. So just put amount paid, the same spelling that used in the column field, in the field, okay, of that record. So amount paid, that means it's going to be total amount. It's going to sum all the amount paid. Okay, in other words, you come and save. You have entered the expression missing closing parenthesis. Okay, I come here again, I close close the parenthesis there. Okay, square brackets. Okay, then I close. After I have closed, I go directly to report view. You see that it has added now all this amount and it has brought me this one. Okay, you can go back and adjust it so that it is in a good line. Okay, adjust it, maybe bring it like this. It stops there. We bring it this one. Okay, stops there. Okay, so that is it. Report view. Now it's very near to them. We can still again look for the maximum amount paid. Maximum amount paid to those employees. Go back again. Okay, go to report design, bring your text box for calculation again, click there, it comes, align it very well. Okay, align it very well. Try to align it very well so that it can come out very well there. Okay, So you also edit it. Instead of text now we put maximum. You can put maximum paid. Okay, then I come here in paid, I say equals, okay, max, I open brackets, okay, I open brackets, then I bring the square brackets, After bringing the square brackets, I again bring the bracket, then I close. If you have closed the brackets now, go directly inside those brackets and bring in the exact column that you want to check whether the maximum amount is paid. So our column was amount paid. You also save it and run. Okay, run, view it. So this is the maximum amount paid. That's the same way you can also check for minimum amount paid. The same way you can also check for average amount paid, for the total, and many more. Thank you. Let me pause a bit, then we can start from there.